Good morning, respected teachers and external examiner, and our project guide, Professor Dr. Arpita Chakrabarti ma'am, and my dear friends. My name is Satyam Kumar from Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Technomain Salt Lake, batch of 2026, representing group number 9. Today I am presenting our final year project titled Read Smart, AI-driven intelligent reading recommendation system. Introduction. In today's digital world, users have access to thousands of books, making it difficult to choose books that match their interests. Our project Read Smart uses artificial intelligence to provide personalized book recommendations and also allows users to purchase books through the same platform. Problem statement. The existing book recommendation system do not provide proper personalization and lack of intelligent language-based filtering, making it difficult for users to find suitable books according to their interests. Objectives. The main objectives of our project is to recommend book using AI-based techniques, to support multilingual book selection, and to provide user-friendly platform with an integrated book purchasing system. Now, I would like to explain the technologies used in our project. The front end of our project is developed using React.js with Vite for fast development and better performance. We use Tailwind CSS to create a responsive and modern user interface. React Router DOM is used for page navigation. Axios connects the front end with backend APIs, and Context API manages global data like user login and cart information. React Toastify is used to display notifications to users. The backend is developed using Node.js and Express.js, which handle all server-side operations and APIs. MongoDB Atlas is used as the cloud database to store user, book, and order data. Mongoose connects Node.js with MongoDB. JWT is used for secure user authentication. Bcrypt encrypts user passwords. Multer handles image uploads. Cloudinary stores book images online. .env secures environment variables. And Course enables communication between the front-end and back-end. Our recommendation system is developed using Python and Flask. Pandas and NumPy are used for processing the book dataset. Scikit-learn implements the similarity-based recommendation algorithm to generate personalized book recommendations. And Pickle stores the trained model for faster loading and predictions. We also integrated an AI chatbot using N8N. It automates the workflow by connecting the front end with AI services. The chatbot understands user queries, provides book recommendations, answers book related questions, and helps users to interact with the system more efficiently. Now, I will briefly explain the system flowchart of our project. First of all, the user registers or logs into the application. After login, user browses different books. The system fetches book data from MongoDB, and the AI recommendation engine analyzes both users' preferences and book metadata. Based on this analysis, recommendation scores are generated and personalized books are displayed. The users can then apply filters or sorting according to their preferences and finally purchase the selected book through the integrated purchase module. This completes my part of presentation. Now, I would like to invite my teammate to explain the next part of our project demonstration. Thank you.
My name is Isha and I am from Electronics and Communication Department. And today I am going to explain the front-end part of my project. So, the main objective of this project is to help users easily browse books and get book recommendations based on their interests. The frontend is developed using React.js and Vite. React is used to build reusable components, and Vite provides fast development and better performance. Now I will demonstrate the working of my project. So this is the home page of my website. Here, users can see featured books, latest collections, and different categories. The navigation bar allows user to easily access different sections of the website, such as home, collection, recommender, about, and contact. Now I'm going to open the collection page. Here, users can view all the available books. At the top, there is a search option where users can search for a book by entering its title. For example, when I'm searching the book title, we can this is just an example that we can search the book by its name. Also, here is an also they can also filter books by genre. For example, fiction, biography, and horror. We can also select language and genre simultaneously. In this way, we can get the books of English language which has fiction stories. There is also a sort drop down. Using this option, users can sort the book by prices, such as low to high or high to low. This helps users compare books accordingly to their budget. In the center of the page, all the books are displayed in a clean grid layout. Each book card contains the book image, title, and the price. The book shown here automatically changes according to the selected filters. Now I have opened a book. Here, users can see the detailed information about the selected book, such as its image, title, description, and price. If they want to purchase the book, they can simply click on the Add to Cart option. And now I'll show you the cart page. Here, users can see all the books they have added. They can increase or decrease the quantity of the books, and the total amount is updated automatically. From here, users can also proceed to place their order. Now I am opening the orders page. Here, users can view all the books they have selected and they can order the books from here. Now I'll show you the about page. This page provides the information about the purchase of the websites and explains the book recommendation system and helps user discover books easily. There is also a contact page. Here, users can find the contact details of the website. If they have any questions or need support, they can use this information to contact the administrator. Now, I will demonstrate the book recommendation system, which is the main feature of this project. This recommendation module is developed separately using Python and Flask. Here, user first selects the language. For example, I select English. Next, I will select the genre. After selecting the language and genre, when I click the recommend button, the related books are loaded automatically. User can also select a specific book Now, the front end sends the selected language and genre and the book title to the Flask backend through the recommended API. The Flask backend processes the request and returns the similar book. These books are displayed on the screen. Each book contains its image, title, language, and genre. Every book has two options. The first option is buy. When I click on buy, it redirects the user to the Amazon purchase page where users uh, can purchase the selected book. And when I select the second option, that is download, it redirects the user to the Internet Archive website where the user can check whether the free version of the book is available or not. This recommendation system improves the user experience by helping users discover books according to their interests.
Hello, this is Nahida Hassan from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. So basically, this is the login page of our project. Here, user can log in through their email like this. Their respective password. And they can easily sign in to the page. So I am going to explain the backend of the project. The backend of our project is developed using Node.js and Express.js. It acts as the bridge between the frontend and the MongoDB database. Whenever a user performs an action, such as viewing books, logging in, adding items to the cart, or placing an order, the frontend sends an API request to the backend. The backend processes the request and applies the required business logic, interact with the MongoDB database, and return the appropriate responses. So basically, this is the database of our project in which we have used the basically MongoDB Atlas, all the book related information in a collection. Each book is stored in a separate document-based format, that is JSON format. The document contains fields such as title, author, genre, language, price, description, image URL, stock quantity, and bestseller status, and also the creation date. The frontend fetches this data through the backend API and it is displayed dynamically on the website. This approach makes it easy to add, update, delete, and search books without changing the front-end code. So as you can see, there is 99 books in this book database. Maybe moving on to the part of the deployment. We deploy the front end of our bookstore website on Vercel. Vercel is a cloud platform that hosts React applications. It automatically builds and deploys the website whenever we push changes to our GitHub repository. This makes the front end accessible through a public URL from any device. So basically, this is the link of the front end. And for the backend, we deploy the backend on the render. Render hosts our Node.js and Express.js server, which provides the REST APIs. The backend connects to the MongoDB Atlas to store and retrieve data such as books, users, cards, and orders. When the frontend sends an API request, render processes it and returns the required response. Now, for the next part, my teammate is going to explain it. Thank you.
Myself, Akhilesh Chauhan from ECA. My part is about result. The main objective of this project is to help users discover books that match their interest quickly and accurately using AI. Many readers spend a lot of time searching for suitable books, so this system simplifies the process by providing personalized recommendation. In this application, user can search for book by title, author. The AI recommendation engine analyzes the user preference and recommends similar book based on their interest. This helps user explore new books without spending much time searching. And there are some features like AI recommended book based on user interest. User can search book by title, author, simple and easy to user interface. AI chatbot helps user with book related questions. There is secure login and user authentication. The final part is about conclusion. So the conclusion is the Read Smart AI based book recommendation system help user find book easily using AI. It provides personalized book recommendation based on user interest and make book searching simple and fast. And there is also the AI chatbot helps user with books related queries, while the responsible and user friendly design improve the overall experience. This project show how AI can use to be solve real world problems. So it also helped me learn about AI, web development, authentication, and recommendation system. In the future, if we are talking about the future, so in future, more advanced AI features and a large book database can make the system even more useful and accurate. Thank you.